Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. So there's a video I shared with you months ago on how you can make your own Ghanaian braided wigs, and most of you told me to share with you how to make the braids. So today's video is all about that, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it in the description box down below so you can go watch it if you're interested. So all you need is just something where you can tie a string, and I'm going to use this tool. A string, you can use any type of string, you can use a thread, any type of string will work. So you're going to tie it like this on your stool or on your chair. And then we also need braids. I'm going to use these Abuja braids, short Abuja braids. Split the hair into as many pieces as you want, and also split them depending on how big you want your braid to be. So if you want the braid to be big, make sure the size is bigger. But if you have someone who can help you split them, the better, because it's going to quicken up the process. For this first braid, I'll fast forward it, but then I'll show you step by step on the next braid. So from that one pack, I managed to make 6 of them. So the bigger the braids, the more packs you'll need. Like these are 14 pieces from 2 packs. And also the longer the braid, the more packs you'll need. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly check the description box down below, because on that video I've actually explained on how you're supposed to make it, and it's very, very simple. Like anyone can do this.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. Time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.